wood from the raw lumber, and we're going to transform it into parts. Then we're going to put the pieces together, and then we're going to let the glue dry overnight. Some of you may be at a glue up stage halfway through the day. Some of you will take all day.
Easier just for one person over here push it through. Okay. So make sure, have you used this before?
Yes, used once.
Okay. So anytime you see a gap between your fence like that, get it tight. And then obviously look, it's going to come off the table like this. You want it to be flat on the table. All right? So stand where I'm standing. Here's your on-off switch. Pull it to turn it on, push it to turn it off. Okay?
Okay, so emergency push off, push it.
Push it, yeah.
Okay.
Exactly. So when you're ready, grab it.
Okay.
Grab the wood, go ahead. Turn it on. Alright. You want to watch me do the first one or you got it?
I can do it.
Alright. Keep going, all the way. Keep going, push. There you go.
Okay. We want to cut heavy, okay? We don't want to cut on the red marker, it'll be shorter than 15. So we want to leave a little bit of wiggle room.
Got it.
Like a 1/16 of an inch.
Okay.
Dead on is too much, okay?
Dead on is too much. Okay.
So you can always go back and take a dust cut.
Okay.
Right now we need to true it up, we need to square it up.
Got it. Got it.
I pull the trigger. Push down. All the way down. Release the trigger. Wait for the blade to stop. Lift up.
Got it.
Once this piece is square, check it out. Okay, that looks pretty good.
Okay.
Once that's square, we mark it. That means square and complete.
Got it.
Okay? Then we worry about, I want you to do the same thing I just did. You think you got all those steps?
Yep.
Okay, go ahead and do that. You want to go with the yellow carpenter's glue and construction adhesive paste mix? What do you want to do? You want to do the paste mix? I don't know the difference. Okay, with the paste mix, when you plot this on, it holds the pieces together like dentures, or someone would call it with polydent or something like that. If you just use this, that's good too. If you just use the yellow glue, it's going to slip and slide everywhere.
Okay.
So the one thing you don't want to do is just use yellow glue. I found this to be very effective in holding it in place while you're drilling.
Okay.
So how this works, you guys ever use these? Okay. Now, I measure mine out. We got 22.5. So I come in at 2.5. Come in at 2.5. And then what's half of 22.5?
11.25.
11.25. And then we come in at 11.25. You good with numbers, my man? Yeah? He's good with numbers. Did you know that?
Top side, hope so. Simple numbers. A question. So when we cut, do we need to make the saw exactly on the middle of the line or make some edge?
I always cut to the left.
Little left.
Okay.
Okay.
Or to the right,
Okay.
depending on what it is.
Okay.
And I very rarely cut down
Through the line.
through the line.
Okay.
Okay.
So leave some extra space for future
When you
improvement.
measure something out, leave a 1/4 inch
Okay.
for some play.
1/4 inch. Okay. Got it.
That's a good rule of thumb. Now, you can cut dead on, or you can leave a little room for error and then tune it up. You can always take dust cuts.
Okay.
So if it's a little bit larger, you can take a dust cut, take a little bit off, a little bit off, until you get it perfect. We're on camera.
Yeah, you're on camera.
You didn't notice that yesterday?
I did. I want you to shoot me videos.
Really?
Email me videos of what you got.
Yeah, I will give you.
That's That's because of
You guys know everything you need to know about biscuit jointing. If you want me to let you guys just go at it, and then I'll help you as needed.
Cool.
Okay. So
this is my top,
okay, it's the top.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. Down here, over. See how I'm lining it up?
Yeah.
And then turn it down.
Okay. A little left. Yeah. Good. A little bit left. Yeah. Yeah. Good. Got it. Okay. I will do the rest.
Okay.
Oops.